Hi, my name is Christina Shuja, and I live in Ellicott City, Maryland. We decided to go with Zenith Bathrooms because of a referral from our neighbor who had also used Zenith for their bathroom. And when I saw the pictures of their outcome, I was very impressed and liked the design. And so we went down to their showroom and met Gamza, who was the designer for the bathroom. We decided to do our bathroom because we are the second owners of this house and nothing was upgraded. So it was all builder grade, built-in shower, built-in tub, chrome everything. So we decided to get updated. And so I was really inspired by the Moroccan design. I really like the patterns and a clean look. And so when we went to the showroom, we met Gamza, and I was able to kind of show her some ideas through screenshots on different various websites like Pinterest, and met with her again, and she was able to come out with a 3D rendering of the bathroom. And I really liked what she came up with at first, and then she was able to work with me, tweaking little things here and there to the point of where I was about 95% happy with what the 3D rendering looked like. And so then we decided to move forward with the project. And with the right team, we had a project manager, Luis, who was also very welcoming and open to our ideas on a step-by-step process. We were able to communicate with Gamza on a regular basis for like little opinions here and there as we were kind of modifying things along the way. And so what ended up at the end result was something that we really, really enjoy. Our bathroom is kind of a sanctuary, really, and I wanted it to be a place where we would feel like we were on vacation and really was able to relax, take a break from really the outside world. I think I really, really like the flooring, the pattern and the coloring of it. And what was really unexpected was we get a lot of the afternoon sun through the windows, and it actually, the darkness of the tile absorbs the warmth of the sun. So it's almost like getting heated tiles in the bathroom. My other favorite feature are the built-in niches. That was really a work in progress. We were really hoping to come out with something that looked rustic, but again, with the Moroccan feel, and it really paid off, and it was really, kind of the centerpiece of the whole bathroom. So Gamza was really able to understand off the bat, just based on what I showed her and like kind of the color schemes. She kind of really understood right away kind of what I was looking for. She was able to kind of put together a sample palette of the different materials. So everything from the vanity to the countertops, the tile, she was able to really work with that. So definitely with the right designer and the right team, I definitely would recommend Zenith.